Our HB8 High Bays are ideal for warehouses, factories, gas stations, gymnasiums, grocery stores, food processing facilities, and more. Now power and color selectable with select fixtures available in white. These fixtures are power selectable, available in 100 watt, 150 watt, 240 watt, and 300 watt. All fixtures are color selectable with the option of 3000K, 4000K, and 5000K. The HB8s feature a 120 347 volt universal driver, with the exception of the 300 watt fixtures being available in either 120 277 volt or 277 480 volt. Instant start and 0 to 10 volt dimmable with a long life elevated driver for cooler operation. Sold separately are easy twist-on motion sensors. The HB8 is available in a black or white polyester powder coat finish. 90-degree optics come standard with 60-degree and 120-degree optics also available, sold separately. A large variety of accessories are available for maximum versatility: yoke mounts, additional optics, wire guards, reflectors, motion sensors, and more. To learn more, please visit our website at csc-led.com or talk to your local sales rep.